recording right
Yeah.
now.
No, well, that's fine. I think they should just use the Profit Makers one, man. This is a 40-minute limited version, I guess.
Oh shoot, yeah. Why is this
Yeah.
40 minutes? Oh no, no, okay. We have to talk really fast, and then we'll send out a new link.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, let me play the Profit Makers video music.
No. That's okay, man. So, little background, on me. I I pretty much run Profit Makers with Leon. I'm on the option side. I guess my first introduction to crypto was with Leon when I first met him at a meetup in 2016, 17, somewhere there, right? And then we kind of connected before that. And we're just kind of like, we've been investing together and kind of in different avenues. I think I like my exposure to crypto was through taxation. A lot of folks that I was helping out had a lot of tax implications on crypto assets. So because of that, I had to learn it and then eventually build interest in investing. And I've been fortunate to own crypto when Bitcoin was at 4,000 ish, a couple of Bitcoins, and then Ethereum at 200 ish. So I have been fortunate to hold that till today. So I just do that. I was a big fan of Polkadot. So I've even invested in Polkadot when Leon called it out when it was like $3.80, and now it's, I think, in the 40s, right? Or 39, somewhere there.
Yeah, 39.40, and I call it Solana when it's $5 too.
Yeah, Solana when it was $5, and I invested in that too. And I think there's a big divide in crypto. This is my opinion. The biggest divide in crypto is like you have folks that are looking at use cases of crypto and they invest in the ones that have good use cases, and some that are just driven by memes and NFTs and some social media moves, right? So there's like a bunch of investments in the crypto that are social media driven, and then there's some that are like maybe use case driven kind of thing. So I have kind of leaned more towards the use case side, less on the memes and NFTs like Dogecoin, that kind of stuff. So we've done well that way. I think there's a huge wave of memes and all that coming out. Like literally every text client I talk to today is like, what do you think about the Dogecoin? So that just means that they're watching a bunch of YouTube videos and they're getting more and more familiar with Dogecoin, which is pumping the price even higher and higher. So in terms of use case, there is not a proven use case there, but it's more like the interest. Once the interest level increases, there may be a use case in the future. We don't know. So so that's what I can say about crypto. Um,
Yeah. So when Mit's talking about Profit Makers, that's another business we have. So we teach people how to trade options. And we have a lot of people who just trade options full time in there. So it's a great balance, right? Because I use profits I make from trading options. I use it to buy crypto. And James had a question about like crypto trading and stuff. I used to day trade Bitcoin. Here's the thing: I don't do that anymore because the easiest trade in the world is just a multi-year swing trade with crypto. You just play the halvings, right? And you do this 2-year bear market, 2-year bull market. You buy. That's all you do. So in the meantime, we use options trading to supplement our income and allows us to buy more coins. Options basically that's trading stocks, right? So you can use options on the buy side to give you leverage and you can 3 to 5x your money, or you can do it conservatively. You can sell options to make like 3 to 10% money. But yeah, that's what we do. I posted the link to Profit Makers in there. Chase Blakely, for those looking to earn interest, yes. So Celsius is like BlockFi. Here's the thing. I like BlockFi better only because it's in the U.S. regulation. Celsius is outside the U.S.
Yeah.
And they promise so much. Like I mean, they say they give 80% of their revenue back, right? So it's like I don't know. I'm as far as the risk profile, because I'm keeping all my crypto in one place. I would trust something that's backed and invested by American investors, and whatnot. Um, but yeah, there's this Celsius link if you want to use it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna recommend that. I don't like them because there's a lot of uh gray area there with Celsius right now. They're still trying to get themselves registered on the US side. They haven't been approved yet. So um I prefer BlockFi. That's just my thing. So yeah.
Yep. Cool. Who wants to go next with a have who has a question? Let's just jump into questions because we have a lot of people now, and we got 40 minutes. And we'll probably do another link before this Zoom ends.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going, Vic?
Hi. How are you guys?
Doing
Well,
good, doing good.
I decided to jump in. I was actually googling. No. I was googling groups for cryptocurrency just a few hours ago, and I found out about this group. And I have been involved in Bitcoin with Bitcoin Ethereum for past 2.5 years, and I started with Bitcoin just a little bit here and there. Actually, it was Litecoin. I'm sorry that I started with. But then I just started focusing just on the two main ones, Bitcoin and Ethereum. So it's been pretty good for me so far. I am really enjoying the benefits of this bull run with Ethereum and Bitcoin. But I'm at a point where I kind of want to start taking advantage of my crypto. Just getting a nice. I hear you guys mentioning about BlockFi. I was looking into BlockFi, and I was wondering if any of you guys have done anything with new Ethereum 2.0 and setting up a node, whether on your own computer or using something like old nodes, and see what you guys' experience
Yeah.
has been so far.
Oh, that's a great question, Vic. So real quick, what he's talking about is Ethereum 2.0 staking. So right now you have Ethereum. They're doing an upgrade to Ethereum 2. It's the same coin. It's just called Ethereum 2, but it will be all Ethereum later.
Right.
So right now, there's several phases of this upgrade, and the first phase is out, so you can stake the coins. It's better, in my opinion, it's better to stake it with someone. So Mid is staking his Ethereum on Kraken.
Okay.
He's
Yeah.
getting 12%, right? 12 or 11% in APY or
You know
interest.
what? Just if you enable like screen sharing, I'll share my
Oh,
screen.
yeah. Let me
Yeah.
yeah,
So,
done. You can share.
so
Coinbase just released staking too, but it's 6%. So Coinbase is keeping 6% of that Ethereum. So it's bullish
Right.
for my Coinbase position, but not really good for customers to stake on Coinbase, unfortunately.
yeah.
Um,
So here I'll share my screen here
yeah.
so you can see. So by the way, I think Vic, you made a good point, but I don't like doing on my person. I know the nodes you can set up nodes and all that. I prefer doing it through a provider because they have more secure nodes and like you have more connectivity. It's like a group, staking process. So there's more value in doing that. So and it's easy, like it's not like rocket science. You don't have to dedicate a PC and all that kind of stuff. You don't earn
Right.
more.
Right.
You don't earn more doing it yourself versus doing it through someone. There's no like margin there. It's more effort on your part. So what I did is I started staking Ethereum. I was one of the first few Ethereum stakers of 2.0. So what
Okay.
I did is I just literally like I went YOLO on Ethereum. Like that is my thing. Like I told Leon, I was like, I don't care what you think, man. Like I'm just gonna go Ethereum all in.
Right,
And
right.
the problem I face with Ethereum is like what I was challenged with is that when I leave it outside, I end up finding other altcoins. So I was
Mhm.
like, no, you know what? This is one way I will not keep rotating coins from one place to another. So I
Because then
went ahead.
there's a tax issue too. Every time that you exchange coins, there's a tax impact in there as well that you have to keep in mind.
Correct, correct.
Yep.
Yeah. And I'm more like a long-term holder because of tax implications. So, and yeah, I just will believe in that. So what I did was I just pretty much, staked my Ethereum here. So I did 32 Ethereums at that time, and it's been paying. You can see here, E2 has been paying pretty much 0.04 ETHs. I think every
It was like
I
six
think
days.
6 to 8 days.
Yeah,
Yeah,
7 days. Looks like a week. Okay.
weekly. That's what they're doing. So
Mhm.
weekly, they're just paying that reward of
So
E.
I guess so is it better than doing it through the because this is like you it's like with Kraken they're pretty much you're just pretty much I guess what I'm concerned and this is something that I have been now that you're talking about your crypto getting bigger and bigger as the value of the cryptocurrency grows. I'm more concerned about keeping those keys safe, so I even bought a Ledger Nano
Yeah.
S to keep my own keys, and that's my concern. Whenever you're staking, you're pretty much I heard somebody say you know you don't really own crypto when if you don't own your keys. So I've
I
been
think those days are gone if you're like I have two Ledger X's with me, like,
uh,
and I consider putting in a Ledger X. I personally think today it is like I have a different opinion, and other people could have different opinion. I
yeah,
think
and
that if you have like a two-factor authentication plus
uh,
another email factor authentication plus your password authentication, you have three layers of authentication, and you're going to one of the um trusted brokerage firms, trusted crypto
Exchanges. Yeah.
exchanges.
mhm.
You're doing yourself justice, right? A Coinbase, Kraken, they're registered as businesses. They're not like shady businesses. Like I do know, like there's some other countries that have come up with these Celsius and all these other like that are not registered with the US laws and protected.
Right, right.
Yeah, I don't even touch those because like I know one in I think it was in Turkey. They just
Mhm.
literally ran away with everyone's crypto. I doubt Kraken would do that. I've actually
Okay.
interviewed for a job at Kraken before. So
Oh
I
wow.
know they're legit because they have like operations here and in the US. So
Yeah.
it's
And this may very well just be me that I'm just so concerned about it, but I'm it's good to hear that some others like yourself that you have that that there's trust on these other, and yeah, you're right, as long as they're US based, there's a higher, I guess, level trust in those companies. And Kraken, I guess, is one of, it's just like bit
like Coinbase is
Coinbase.
number one. Coinbase is
Uh-huh.
number one because
The
they're
Kraken.
registered. Kraken only because I set up with them because of Polkadot. They were one of the first few that were
Mm.
staking Polkadot at 12%. So I was doing really well with that. And then I wanted to stake E2. Then Kraken was one of the first few that was offering non-self staking kind of thing where I'm not staking it directly. I'm doing it through a tool. So I had locked up my Polkadot in there. I've just been fortunate with Polkadot. Like you can see, I'm staking 156 coins. You can see 56 of
Yeah, yeah.
them were actually rewards. You can see how many E2s I've collected so far. I'd staked 32 ETHs. I've collected zero point 0.5 ETH almost.
Yeah.
in just taking it. So
And you can take your ETH at any time, right? You don't have to keep
no,
them.
No, no, no,
not
no.
not at this point.
Even if you stake
ETH2
yourself.
staking is not out yet, so it's pretty much. So the way, like, I pretty much share this. Look, if you look at this, read this.
Mhm.
This is across the board, even if you do it yourself.
Okay. I
Yeah.
see. No, yeah, I was looking into the actual platform for Ethereum, and I was going over it where you have to keep it for at least 1 year because you get
Yes.
your rewards and you know all that. So that's just one of those things, and I think it's a 7.6% right now.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
And then,
But I mean, you have to make sure that all your stuff is up all the time. You have to take care of all that, right? And then that's going to cost you money. Or
Right, right,
you
right.
can give Coinbase 1%, or you can give Kraken 1% to take care of that for
That
you, right?
yeah.
And
exactly.
you want to get your stuff slashed, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
so here's the thing. So Mitz what he's doing is a long-term strategy, which is good because I think ETH could hit 20, 30, 40K in a few years. But
Right.
like me, I'm not staking. I'm taking an active plan because once we cross that $10,000 price range for Ethereum, that's when I'm wanting to sell. I don't want my ETH locked up, right? Even if it goes higher to where it is, because I want to exit, and then just sell options.
Right, right.
And I'll probably hold on to one Bitcoin, and then I'll buy back in on an Ethereum bottom later on. But yeah, so
I
if
see.
you do stake Ethereum, you're locked up. Polkadot staking though, you can stake that for 12%, and you can withdraw anytime you want.
Hmm.
Actually, you can't. I mean, it's supposed to be like 30 days or something like that. But because Kraken has so much dot, they'll just let you take some of their other dot.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
I
yeah,
see.
You can unstake anytime immediately on Polkadot.
Yeah.
Yeah, here on BlockFi, you can see I've literally earned, as you can see, $6,400 worth of
Hmm.
Bitcoin, just keeping one coin there for a very long
Right.
time. And then I like to keep things in USDC as well. So like I don't trust the coin network that much yet. So I'm not going to put all my assets here, but
Hmm.
I just kind of put in all my gains here. So you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
see just earn that much and have accrued this much. So
I see.
So for
Ethereum.
your information, this is not coming to US yet, but YLD, the yield app, they have a token too. It will be available in US
What is
and
it called?
YLD yield app.
You
well, why LD
They are
token?
an app that gather all of the yield farming.
Oh,
Mm.
yield YLD. What
Yield
is it
app,
called?
yes. YLD token. Just look it up on crypto coin market cap.
You're talking about this one right here, this website?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so like these, there are several out there. Like I'm not a big, this is the one I will trust. If you wanted like a trusted source, the one that I
This
trust.
is one of the app that they designed for institution. It's not available in US yet, but then
Okay.
I have seen a stable coin that yield a lot more.
Yeah.
My cousin in Vietnam is doing right now, and they got like this USDT and USDC at
Oh,
32%.
no,
Oh
I
wow.
don't trust this.
Okay.
This
Jesus
is,
Christ!
yeah. So let me tell you all really quick is when you see like 20%, 32% APY, just be careful there because these these are like just kind of like schemes where they will like they're literally harvesting a bunch of coins and then they're paying each other. Like I wouldn't call it like it's not truly
Like
a
a Ponzi.
Ponzi. Yeah, it's like a Ponzi scheme. Like they can pay these yields because they're getting more coins into their
Right, right.
platform and they're trying to do the startup momentum. So this is something I wouldn't ever recommend or trust because like when someone's paying 20, 30% on like stable coins, there's definitely something fishy there in terms of Ponzi-ness, because even if they decided to invest that money and stake it, they're not even earning that much yield. So it's not a sustainable model, right? So right now, BlockFi has got like several billion in investments across. Winklevoss Brothers has invested, Coinbase Ventures has invested. So you got all the big shots invested in it. Like the other one, like if you're looking for yield in different coins, I like the staked.us. This one, if you've heard of that. This one is like more legit. I've been using them for, and you can see they've got Coinbase Ventures and Winklevoss. So it's like, and if you look at yields, like which is yield farming, right? These are the rates that they're giving.
Yeah, got a nice 14% of Polkadot there. Yeah, I'll trust these guys more. We'll quit admit. Do you want to
Yeah.
go ahead? Can you send me the profit makers URL? So we're 10 minutes left. So I figured let's get everyone on this other Zoom call where we don't have a time limit.
Yeah, and I don't have the URL on me, but
I
it's the
re-
same thing.
no,
97.
say, I'm sorry. I was gonna say I really appreciate that info. That was great.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And I really look forward to meeting you guys in live. I mean, like I said, this was very short kind of thing, and I got in. I'm gonna have to go, but I really appreciate that info you guys shared with me. Thank you very much.
Yeah, definitely. Hopefully see you again or in person.
Sounds good.
Yeah, man, how about this? You go ahead and host it, and then you'll probably kick you out, right? But then send me the link, and I'll put the link in the chat here on Discord and on meetup.com. Because like, man, 70 people said they're coming to this thing, but like looks like there's 15. That's a weekend.
Yeah, and it's not about who shows up. It's just at the end of the day, we just want to make sure that we're doing justice to whoever's
Yeah.
here, that they know what as they're diving into. Let me put it this way: they're diving into this crypto environment. They know what they're signing for, right? Signing up for. So here, I got the link. I found it. So this is pretty much our Leon, our profit maker stuff, right? Like just if you log into our profit makers account.
But you'll kick me out. So can you do that?
Yeah.
It'll kick you out, but at least you can send me the link on
Yeah,
Discord
yeah.
and I'll post it here.
Yeah, here I just did. I think.
Okay. All right, everyone. Let's start transitioning to this Discord. I'm gonna real quick. I'm gonna post this in the main chat. We are going to this one now, and I want to post it.
Hey, so for those of us who are new, what is Discord?
Yes, Discord is like it's kind of like Slack, but it's a better version
What's
of it.
Slack?
What's Slack? So, it's an app on your phone or desktop where you chat with people. You can send messages.
So it's like a group chat.
Yeah,
thing?
a group chat, a more professional group chat.
If you're a gamer, if you are a gamer, then you should know Discord, because most of the gamer that's where they start to have a group chat while they're playing game.
Okay, because a lot of people are getting into crypto. They don't know what any of this stuff is. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Like none of this stuff is.
Yeah. So right now we're on Zoom, but we do have a Discord, and here I'll go ahead copy the Discord link.
Do you have?
What was that? Ann?
You have to download Discord app, right?
Yes. You need to install the Discord app. So it's just discord.gg. And download it. You can download on your phone, download on your desktop. And all of a sudden people could come in. Okay. And then then you can join us there. That's
you can do from a web browser as well.
Yes, from a web browser. But anyways, everyone, please look at the chat in Zoom. So we posted a new Zoom link because unfortunately I chose the wrong Zoom one for this meeting. We have 8 minutes left. we have a professional version of Zoom. So click that link that MitM posted, and we will transition over to that one now. So see you guys.